Hello everyone, welcome to Frkn-Waypoint installation tutorial. First of all, please don't forget to check our documentations. You have all the necessary information here. For example, you don't need any requirements in this script, and it's 100% standalone. You can make it work in any custom frameworks. You can see the config settings and features of the script. Let's start. Please go to your Cfx portal account, go to your assets, and find the script. You can download from this button and then extract it in your scripts file. I have already done that, so let's open the server config file and include it in here. Let's open FiveM and see if it works. And it works perfectly. You can make your customizations here in the settings. And let's get in the vehicle and you can see it. You can also make the customizations in your config, like language. If your language doesn't include it here, you can edit in the local file. You can change the setting of a car vehicle. If you make it false, you won't need to be in a vehicle to see the waypoints. You can change the command and unit. You can make the kilometers mile. You can make the command anything you want, like that. And that's all. Thank you for watching.